Hello, fabulous frugalistas. Welcome back to Wealth Warriors, where we turn smart saving into an art form. Today, we're diving deep into the Frugalista's Guide to Saving Big. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting your frugal journey, this guide is packed with tips, tricks, and strategies to help you save more without sacrificing the lifestyle you love. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a saving superstar. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss a single tip. Let's get started. The philosophy of frugality. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of saving big, let's talk about the philosophy of frugality. Being frugal isn't about being cheap or depriving yourself. It's about making mindful choices, prioritizing value over cost, and focusing on what truly matters to you. Frugality is about intentional living. It's about finding joy in simplicity and making the most out of what you have. It's not just a money-saving strategy. It's a lifestyle choice that brings freedom and peace of mind. Setting up your frugal framework. To start saving big, you need a solid framework. This involves setting clear goals, creating a realistic budget, and tracking your expenses. Let's break it down step by step. First, set your saving goals. These could be short-term, like saving for a new gadget, or long-term, like building an emergency fund. Having specific goals gives you a clear direction and keeps you motivated. Next, create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses, categorize your spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, a budget isn't restrictive. It's liberating because it shows you where your money is going. Smart shopping strategies. One of the easiest ways to save big is by becoming a savvy shopper. Here are some smart shopping strategies to help you save on everyday purchases. First, always make a shopping list and stick to it. This prevents impulse buying and ensures you only get what you need. Look for discounts, use coupons, and take advantage of loyalty programs. Don't be shy about comparing prices online before making a purchase. Consider buying generic brands instead of name brands. Often, the quality is just as good, but the price is significantly lower. Cutting costs on utilities. Utilities can be a major expense, but there are many ways to cut costs without sacrificing comfort. Let's explore some effective strategies. Start by being mindful of your energy use. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug devices when they're not in use, and use energy-efficient bulbs and appliances. Consider investing in a programmable thermostat. It can help you save on heating and cooling costs by adjusting the temperature based on your schedule. Frugal travel tips. Who says you can't travel and save money at the same time? Here are some frugal travel tips to help you explore the world without breaking the bank. Travel during the off-peak season to get the best deals on flights and accommodations. Use travel reward points and look for budget-friendly destinations. Consider staying in hostels, Airbnb, or vacation rentals instead of hotels. Not only are they cheaper, but they often provide a more authentic travel experience. DIY and upcycling projects. DIY and upcycling projects are fantastic ways to save money and unleash your creativity. Let's dive into some fun and frugal projects you can try at home. From repurposing old furniture to creating homemade gifts, the possibilities are endless. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce waste and create unique items. Check out online tutorials and join DIY communities for inspiration and tips. You'll be amazed at what you can create with a little imagination and effort. Saving on entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Here are some frugal ways to have fun without spending a fortune. Host game nights, movie nights, or potluck dinners at home. Explore free or low-cost activities in your community, like hiking, visiting museums on free admission days, or attending local events. Take advantage of library resources. Many libraries offer free access to books, movies, music, and even workshops and classes. Frugal fitness tips. Staying fit and healthy doesn't have to be costly. Here are some frugal fitness tips to help you stay in shape without spending a lot. Use free or low-cost workout resources like YouTube fitness channels, fitness apps, or community classes. You don't need an expensive gym membership to stay active. Consider outdoor activities like running, hiking, or cycling. They're great for your health and completely free. Frugal food hacks. Food is a significant part of any budget, but there are plenty of ways to eat well without overspending. Let's explore some frugal food hacks. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to save money. Plan your meals, make a shopping list, and cook in bulk to save time and money. Grow your own herbs and vegetables if you have the space. It's a rewarding way to save money and enjoy fresh produce. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Get creative with repurposing them into new meals. Cut to a demo of transforming leftovers into a new dish. Maximizing income and savings. Saving money is just one side of the equation. Maximizing your income and savings can help you reach your financial goals faster. Here are some strategies to consider. Consider taking on a side hustle or freelance work. There are many opportunities to earn extra income, from online gigs to part-time jobs. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you save consistently without even thinking about it. Look for high-yield savings accounts or investment opportunities to make your money work harder for you. Frugal beauty and fashion tips. Looking good doesn't have to cost a fortune. Here are some frugal beauty and fashion tips to help you save money while staying stylish. Shop at thrift stores, consignment shops, and online resale platforms. You can find great deals on stylish clothing and accessories. DIY your beauty treatments at home. There are plenty of recipes for homemade face masks, scrubs, and hair treatments using ingredients you already have. Building a frugal community. Frugality is more fun when you share it with others. Building a frugal community can provide support, inspiration, and motivation on your saving journey. Join frugal living groups online or in your local area. Share tips, swap items, and encourage each other to stick to your goals. Consider starting a frugal challenge with friends or family. Whether it's a no-spend month or a saving competition, having others join you can make it more enjoyable. Avoiding common frugal pitfalls. Even the best savers can fall into common pitfalls. Here are some mistakes to avoid on your frugal journey. Don't sacrifice quality for price. Sometimes paying a little more for a durable item can save you money in the long run. Avoid buying things just because they're on sale. If you don't need it, it's not a bargain. Stay flexible and adjust your budget as needed. Life happens, and it's important to adapt your saving strategies accordingly. The long-term benefits of frugality. Embracing frugality offers long-term benefits that go beyond just saving money. Let's look at the bigger picture. Frugality leads to financial freedom, less stress, and more control over your life. It allows you to focus on what truly matters and enjoy a simpler, more meaningful lifestyle. By saving more, you'll be better prepared for emergencies, able to invest in your future, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Special bonus tips. And now, as promised, here are some special bonus tips to help you save even more. First, try the 30-day rule. If you want to make a non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. Often the urge will pass and you'll save money. Second, consider bartering or trading services with friends and neighbors. It's a great way to save money and build community connections. Finally, always keep learning. Follow frugal living blogs, watch videos, and read books to stay inspired and discover new ways to save. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Frugalista's Guide to Saving Big. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a frugal and fabulous life. Remember, frugality is a journey, and every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Until next time, happy saving.